this is Tuza.
Hi, this is Detlef.
This time, shall we talk about aspirated and unaspirated consonants in Burmese?
Sounds interesting, but what are they?
Well, aspiration actually is not an unfamiliar feature in Western languages as well. For instance, if we take the word kiss in English,
That sounds interesting.
here the letter K is pronounced with K.
So air is expelled.
Yeah, with a puff of breath.
Mm-hmm.
But if we take the word skill, then K is pronounced with K.
So rather short.
Lighter. Yeah.
Lighter. And this difference between K and K is important in Myanmar language.
Yeah, this kind of distinction is quite dramatic in Burmese.
Dramatic in Burmese means script and change is different.
Yeah, script. as well.
Meaning is different.
Correct.
Do you have an example?
Yeah, let me think. We have pa and pa.
Pa and...
Yeah, can you guess?
the first one is not unaspirated, and aspirated,
yeah.
the second one. And the meaning is?
Yeah, the meaning is very different. When you say pa, then you refer to cheek. But pa means frog.
So this is a difference that one should really keep in mind or pay attention to. Yeah. And there are many other pairs in Myanmar language, like pa, pa.
Yeah, but not so many. And before I tell you about that, let me show you the alphabets in Burmese here.
Yeah, I think this is a very famous table.
So, as you see, we have 33 letters altogether.
You once told me they're all consonants, right? Except this last one, which is the only vowel letter, correct?
Exactly. We have some special consonants here, and they are not very commonly used in context.
So we could ignore them.
Yep, for the time being.
So then let's take them out and simplify the table, which helps our viewers to see it.
Yep.
Okay, like this.
Yep, now it looks better.
And here we have the 4 pairs with aspirated and unaspirated variations.
Yep, indeed. In fact, the first one is always unaspirated, followed by the aspirated counterparts.
I see.
Let me read them one by one. Ka, ka, sa, sa, ta, ta, pa, pa. And just one more thing. It's about this letter. It reads ta. It is actually unaspirated. It's like the consonant th in sympathy. But we don't have the aspirated partner for this one in Burmese. We don't have th like in thin or thick.
Shall we do some exercises with this feature of Burmese?
Okay, why not? So let me give you a sentence in English, which you will have to translate into Burmese.
Okay, that's a challenge.
Okay. The sentence is, his car is small.
And small means?
Yeah, small in Burmese is tede.
Tede. Okay, so the sentence could be thu ka ga tede.
Okay, almost correct.
Almost.
Because if you say tu ka, then you will refer to something different.
What?
Yeah, have a look.
Oh.
So, tu ka ga tede means his or her waist is small.
Oh, that's
maybe
a nice error.
Maybe you could say that to talk about the figure of a Burmese lady.
I will remember that one.
But in fact, you have to say tu ka ga.
Okay.
Tede.
Yeah, I think this demonstrates nicely the importance to distinguish.
Because we say ka, although it is a borrowed word from English car. Okay?
Okay. And should we have some more examples?
Yeah, there will be one more exercise. You have 2 options each, and I will read one of them. Pay attention to the letters in bold. Okay, one is aspirated and the other one unaspirated. Ka ne de. Again, ka ne de.
So the question for our viewers is, what have you heard? Unaspirated or aspirated? What is the correct answer?
The correct one is here. Ka ne de. And now the second. Su yu ma la. Again. Su yu ma la.
And here's the correct one.
Yep. The second one with aspirated ca. Now the third example. Ti me no. Ti me no.
And here the solution.
Yep. The second one. Again, aspirated ta.
So how many points? We don't know, but hopefully you have a lot.
Yeah. And now the last one. Bu ne de. Bu ne de. And this time, the right answer is
Here.
the first one, yes, with unaspirated e. So this time I will read both options. Okay, the first one, ka ne de and ka ne de. Su yu ma la and su yu ma la. The third one, ti me no, ti me no. And the last one, bu ne de and pu ne de.
Let's sum up the video lesson.
Okay, we have done aspirated and unaspirated consonants in Burmese, and there are 4 pairs altogether, plus 1 extra, which is ta, which is unaspirated, and it doesn't have any aspirated counterparts.
So it's a rather lonely consonant.
Yeah, indeed.
And we also had a look at the overall Burmese alphabet with 32 consonants, if I remember well.
Exactly. Yeah.
And we will definitely come back to the Burmese alphabet in one of our next video lessons. So for today, this is it. Thank you.
Jesu te mare.